Hello, professionals. This is JS Kumar from jskumar.com. I help professionals land in amazing jobs. In today's video, I want to walk you through 7 job strategies to your job search during this coronavirus situation. Now, as a career coach, I have the ability to coach numerous ambitious professionals land their dream job offers. And so, if this is something you are interested in working with me one-on-one basis, I can give you more details about this during this video. I have been getting a lot of questions from you asking me about what we can expect when it comes to looking for a job during this COVID 19 time and what you can do to maximize and optimize your efforts. This video will give you an insight about real perspectives of the industry, hiring trends, work from home options, freelancing sites, and job search methods. Now, if you are someone who is currently looking for a job and struggling with same situation, and if you want more one-on-one professional help in your job search strategy, then feel free to reach out to gskumar.com, read through the page, fill in the questionnaire and send it to connect@gskumar.com.
Candidates, this is JS Kumar from jskumar.com. I'm a career coach and a job search advisor. I've been advising candidates for last 3 years for career coach and job search strategies. So today we have a guest called Rakhi from Kolkata. She's been interacting from a long time through LinkedIn on certain career advices. Today we just thought we should have a discussion on the current scenarios which can be useful for most of the job seekers who are in trouble. So let's introduce Rakhi. She's from Kolkata. I understand she's a graphic designer. So welcome, Rakhi. Can you just introduce yourself?
Thank you, Sanjay. So myself, Rakhi Datta from Kolkata, and I'm currently a graphic designer looking for a senior graphic designer position or role taking. And I'm working for last 7 years in this field. And yes, I need some suggestion. I need some help, which I guess is helpful for others also who are seeking job right now. So for that, I came to Central. So I guess Central will help me in knowing the current situation. So yes, let's start.
Okay, maybe you can ask what are all the troubles you are facing, okay, and what are all
Right.
aspects you are fearing about, because that fear has to be addressed before you are jump into job search. So whatever questions you have, you can ask one by one. Let me answer from my own experiences and knowledge. Yes, please.
Okay. So firstly, I want to know like how can I find a job right now? Like what changes should I make in my job search strategy?
Yes, there is a vast difference from the traditional job search and the current job search methods. So the job search strategy is itself is going to change, because earlier you will apply randomly for graphic designer. Industry is open. Okay, all the industries are open for hiring graphic designer. But now the situation is something different where we have to apply only for the performing industries, right? So a lot of companies, product companies has been shut down, layoff, hiring freeze are all happening. So everybody fearing that, okay, entire industries are locked down, but that is not the situation. The reality is some 10-15 companies are really performing well, right? So we have done a lot of research in understanding which are all the industries which are performing and have a growth. I'll read out one by one so that you can make a note and it can be helpful for the other job seekers also. The number one industry would be the gig economy. It is like project based work, right? So I need something, I pay to a person and he will close the project, like content writing or graphic designing or video editing. These are all the things I can outsource and get things done, right? I can hire somebody to outsource my job work. So that is going to be massive. Lot many freelancers will be popping up. Lot of startup companies will start up with these kind of services. So there is a massive growth in terms of gig economy. The full-time job, the traditional roles will not be there, right? The second industry is e-learning industry, where online coaching, online training will be the method of learning for next 2-3 years, right? So that industry has a huge potential because learning and training is something we cannot stop, and it's a continuous process. All the school students, colleges are learning through online methods. Even people who are not skilled, they will be doing the upskilling activities, correct? They have to get new certifications to get job. So e-learning is a massive industry where there is a huge potential, that also performing industry. The third industry is obvious medical equipment, pharma, healthcare. Anything associated with this will obviously go on perform because healthcare is always essential service and an evergreen industry. The fourth one is deliveries. Anything you deliver to the end user become the major industry. Like we have seen this food delivery apps, right? Zomato, Swiggy, all that. So most for next 6 months, 1 year, this delivery kind of an option becomes a major industry where they have to go and deliver to the end user because you don't have a traditional setup to deliver things, right? Supermarket are closed, lot many other things has been closed. There is no option to protect them and serve the industry. They have to go for it. The fifth one is in-home entertainment industry. Your Disney, your Netflix, those kind of entertainment is gonna boom because you are done with your television. There is no longer mall kind of movie. You cannot go for watching movies outside, right? But already movies has been taken. It is under production. Production is over. They have to release. They don't have any option to release. So they have to release in Netflix and other sites. Even Hotstar is becoming more and more popular. So apps and in-home entertainment industry is becoming a boom. The sixth one is online gaming industry because a lot of children are addict of gaming. Already they are addict. Now they have more time. So gaming industry will be growing like crazy. The seventh one will be the software industry, especially online connections like the Zoom, okay, and the WebEx, those kind of tools, which is essential for connecting, virtual meeting. Those kind of software will be in boom, right? So that industry, especially software industry, will be booming. The eighth one will be the supplement industries where a lot of people are now thinking about their health and safety first of all, right? They have to build their immune system, right? So for that, they will be paying extra money or willing to pay, right, to develop their immune. They want to be protected. So proteins and these kind of related items, supplement food, that will have a major growth. Ninth is your data science. Data science is always been popular in MNCs. Now it will cascade to the next level of industries also because a lot of business analysis has to be done, and that's going to be a major industry. 10th is digital products because working from home becomes the tradition for next 2 years. So digital products like headphones, mics, laptop related accessories is gonna boom. Because earlier it was meant only for the IT companies, but today non-IT companies has to go for a laptop and a virtual setup conferencing items. So digital products is gonna be massive, multifold times, right? Earlier, last year they could have if at all they could have sold 100. This year they will sell 400. That's the level of growth we could see because everybody is going for work from home option, right? And obvious digital marketing industry, right? So everybody are online, everybody are watching Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. So people don't have the traditional methods of advertising. So advertisement industries and companies have to depend on social media because people are available in social media in a longer time these times, right? Earlier they were 1 hour, now they are spending 3 hours, 4 hours together, correct? So they will push their products in social media only. So social media management, digital marketing, Facebook ad campaigns, LinkedIn campaigns, all these advertisement related aspects into social media, it's gonna boom. And when I say social media, it is also the mobile app marketing because from mobiles also people watch a lot, right? Facebook, every other youth is going for Instagram, Facebook, and other things in mobile only. So mobile-based advertisements will be in boom, right? So that's going to be massive. The final industry is BPO, where we have the maximum potential to contribute to the US and UK market, because US, they are already giving to us all the outsourced work, right? Now they cannot go to China, they cannot go to Italy, Germany, Spain, or even Pakistan or Bangladesh. So the only option left and trustable source is India. And in India, we are a cheap resource and we can do any kind of work with long working hours, which is not possible in US, right? So all the US based BPO works, customer support, customer service related, IT related, they are giving to us. Okay, that is the news prediction going forward. So these are the 13 industries you have to select and then move forward for the job application. Otherwise, you will be randomly applying to various industries and then you think you are a non-performer or underperformer or end up with frustration. Rather, you set up a proper process in place that you select an industry, from there you start applying for jobs. If that answers your question.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. That was very informative. Okay, I would like to know, okay, how do I supplement my income during this quarantine period?
No, obviously, see, full-time job we have done, and we were trusting only on the monthly salary, correct? So now the option is left, or people has been lay off, or people has been there are a lot of hiring freeze in a lot of companies. So it's been 1 month we have done this closure, and we don't know how long it will continue, right? So people have to go for freelancing kind of a jobs. So freelancing is one of the way where you have to create one more profile from you apart from your traditional profile. You have to create one more profile for work from home option and then go for it. Whatever skill,
Okay.
inbuilt skill you have, for example, you are coming up with graphic designing skill, correct? So for graphic designing especially, there are a lot of sites who are looking for freelancers, right? So graphic designing is one particular skill where every other industry is looking for advertisements and support. So Photoshop and InDesign and related software is very much in need and demand also. So you create your profile in those kind of sectors and then start applying for freelancing kind of jobs. Then you will get a massive income.
Then for the last answer, which was very informative and very helpful. So now I would like to know what is the best remote job to have during this coronavirus time, like where to look for the remote job.
I think that's an important question. See, nowadays you can search like remote jobs as one of the search strings. Earlier, like you could have searched graphic designer at Kolkata or graphic designer at Chennai or Bangalore, something like that. Now you can just mention one more keyword, graphic designer plus remote jobs. So you'll get all the list in Naukri itself or LinkedIn or even in the freelancer sites like workandhire.com, freelancer.com, upwork.com. These are the major sites where they are looking for graphic designers, remote jobs. So these are the sites you can look for a lot of possibility of options.
Okay, thank you, Senthil. So can you tell me, like, will the job offers be withdrawn during the coronavirus time?
So especially for the fresh graduates, there is an uncertainty because they got their job offers before this quarantine time. So now the situation is different. So the final exams has been postponed, and there is very uncertainty for next 6 months. And companies are also now have not taken a proper decision on where, what kind of roadmap they have. So a lot of uncertainties in terms of graduates who are already got an offer. But still, like premium companies like Wipro, TCS, Infosys, they have told and they have promised that they will release the offer as and when the situation is getting better. But for the companies which have released the offer for full-time jobs, and especially when you have to relocate, this is not the right time, right? You have to find a job in your own city or your own state itself. Shifting state to state or city to city is not advisable. because even after lifting the lockdown, we have to maintain social distancing, all that. So looking for another job is what I would suggest, if at all, even if you have still offer in hand and all that, as a backup, you have to go for remote jobs and work from home options. Yes.
Okay, okay, fine, I got it. Okay, Senthil, so how will employers look at resumes with gap in work history due to this COVID-19?
That's one more important question, and a lot of people ask this question. So, see, employers and recruiter is also suffering from this entire situation, right? So they will also understand that you have shifted your career. Like career transition is one of the major thing happened in this time. People who are in HR, MBA HR, they have moved to marketing. But people who are in marketing, they went to two different stream by upskilling themselves. So see, this is the time, 3 months or 6 months, where you have to upskill yourself, get more certification, or try some remote job, get more experience, and add value to the resume. Okay, only then you will have a potential possibilities. Otherwise, if you say like 3 months, entire thing was locked down, I have not done anything, then things will be even more worse. You have to prove that I was productive. Okay, either I was doing my certifications by Udemy and various other sources. I've done 5, 6 certifications. That can be one of the value addition, or work from home or remote job with various other companies. Okay, 10 different companies you work for remote jobs. Graphic designing is one thing where you can work for multiple companies. So you can showcase that, okay, earlier in full-time job, I was working for only one industry. Now I have an option for working 10 different countries, okay, 10 different methodologies. That becomes your value addition rather than uh, going for this kind of things. So two option is get certificate and get work experience, which will add to your value. So only then you can talk something extra in terms of interviews and all that. So they will understand that, not an issue. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So, what are the job search resources for those laid off during the COVID-19 pandemic?
Sorry, can you repeat one more time?
Yes. So, what are the best job search resources for those laid off during the COVID-19 pandemic?
Resources wise, see, now like every news and every TV channels and every newspaper, social media is releasing lot of news, okay, which is all projections. It is not a real data or real insight. So don't go for too much of information also. That is what I would suggest. Stick to companies which are there in the market for a longer time. Okay, they will release some articles or YouTube channel videos. All that people are giving interviews. Like okay, from Team Lease, people are giving interviews. From ABC, they are giving interviews. Watch such interviews to understand what is the reality and what is the market projection, hiring projection, all that. All other things, they are just giving a wrong idea or wrong projection. So get into those specific insights which are trustable sources, right? Direct interviews with YouTube channel or direct article from newspapers, trusted newspapers. And we are also releasing a lot of articles in our LinkedIn page on the latest hiring trends. Okay, you can connect to me in LinkedIn. My ID URL is GWYESKAE, LinkedIn GSK. So with that, you can connect to my articles and then review all the articles which we are publishing often, right? And in our next blog also, we are releasing a lot of work from home options, right? Maybe on Thursday or Friday, we will be releasing one particular article story where we have collected a lot of information on work from home option, which can be very, very useful for you. So these kind of trusted resources is what you have to do. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So nowadays the trend is going on like nobody uses like traditional resume. Nowadays the trend is like infographic resume. So how should I modify and upgrade my old resume so that interviewers select my resume at the first attempt?
Now is the time where everybody is looking at a career shift and a career transition. So everybody has to reinvent themselves, correct? It is not the traditional method where we have prepared some resume from copy pasting or downloading some sample from Google and then apply for it. That doesn't work right now, right? You have to address issues which are specific to the industry, specific problems. For that problems, what contribution you can make, okay? That information should be there in your resume, right? With your technical skill, whether you can solve a business problem. That is what, as a business, people are looking for candidates. So infographic is the best way where you can give a pictorial representation of your entire career story, which will be easier for recruiters like us. See, every recruiter, being corporate recruiter or consulting firm recruiter, we review about 30 to 50 CVs in a day, right? So we can think about the kind of reviews we make and the kind of sections we watch, all that. So the major things what we see is how many is your total number of years of experience? What is your core competencies? Which are all the branded companies you have worked? Okay, what are achievements you have done? Plus, what are the qualifications you have done? And when you are reviewing the CV, we will compare with the other candidates also. What is the plus and minus? Okay, and whether it is coming to our budget. I might have one budget, but you might have a different expectations. Whether those things are matching. These are the major elements we will be looking, and maximum 5 to 10 seconds we will review everything. Okay, no matter you give lengthy bullet points for 15 bullet points, we don't even read. That is the reality. So infographic resume will give a potential to understand what is your core competencies and where you can project yourself. Your highlight, where is your best strength that you can highlight. See, for example, we represent your core competencies as bar graphs, okay, where we mention years of experience plus the core competency, which will be easier for recruiters to understand what is your total skill, right? And we also use some tabular column method where we mention special aspects about your profile, like which are all the geographies you have worked and which are all your major clients you have worked, what are all target industries, I mean targets you have taken, what are the products and services you have worked, you know. This is all the major insight we will be looking for your profile. Otherwise, what happens is we have to search for information in the traditional resume, which will be a failure, right? So I would suggest you to go for the infographic resume, which will help you in this time of situation.
Yeah, so Senthil, I was going through your website as well. So how can you help me like upgrading my own resume that so that I can look for a remote job for the timing right now?
The process wise, we will send you a questionnaire where you have to fill your target job and other aspects apart from your resume, because we collect a lot of information to research in the hiring market, because now the hiring industry is something different. The job market is something different. So we have to really invest some time in researching what the potential employer is looking for a candidate. Okay. So after those information collection, we will customize your content based on the expectation of the employer, right? So earlier you could have said, okay, graphic designing this much skill, InDesign this much skill, Photoshop, all that you could have mentioned. Now the additional things would be, since because it's a remote job or working from home job, you have to add one more section called I have a home-based video conferencing setup. I have a good connectivity. Okay, that things you have to proactively mention. Okay, because they cannot assume things that they should not give the option, like they assume things that whether you have or have not. You proactively mention that there is a separate section you have to open, mention that you have a proper setup, proper laptop in place, proper connectivity is there. Okay, I'm okay with the virtual kind of setup. I'm working for last 3 months in 5 hours in a day. You know, those kind of proactive insight you have to give to the potential employee. They will like it. Okay, because that shows your seriousness. Okay, what all you are available, right? Because other candidates, these things they will not mention. They will mention I'm skilled at this, that, and recruiters have to dig out a lot of information, which will be more cumbersome for a recruiters like us. Rather, you give a proactive information on what kind of setup you have in your place. Okay, which will give you an easier understanding of your resume, and then call for the next interview rather than skimming through the entire resume and then making some assumptions. That will work better.
Yes, then thank you so much. These are all very informative and very helpful. I guess I can, I'm going to contact you for the second time for my own resume to upgrade it. And yes, I will search for remote job as of now, and I'll look for it. Thank you so much. These all are very informative. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, all the best for your job change and career shift. Hope for a better luck and a better future. Thanks, Rocky, for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you.
And top of that, I do free seminars for colleges and one-on-one Zoom meeting sessions for a very short time. If you are someone who is looking for a college webinars or one-on-one counseling, just click below the link or write to connect@jskumar.com. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video with friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next video.